To take this tailgate off, I'm going to lift it up just a little bit, and then the strap has a larger hole right there that you can slide the bolt out through. It's supposed to have a little safety tab, but I'll show you what that looks like on this side. You're supposed to have to lift the safety tab up in order to slide the cable out. Now the tailgate is ready to be removed. And this side is the side that has the slot. So if you lift it up just a little bit, you can take it up and out of its mounting location. And then from this side, you can pull it straight out, remove your tailgate, and set it aside. To remove this tailgate hinge, take off these two 13mm bolts. Now you can remove this hinge. Take your new one, slide it into position, start in the two bolts, snug it up. Make sure that's nice and tight. And let's do the same thing to the other side. I should have mentioned this earlier, but the hinges are actually different from one side to the other, and you have to make sure you put the right one on the right side. This one, as you can see, has cuts that go straight up and down. The other side were angled, and that's for easy removal of the tailgate. So this side is the one that has the cuts up and down. Go ahead and remove the old one. Take that off and put the new one on. It has this pin right here that needs to line up with the hole. And then you can start in your bolts, snug them up. And let's swap the hinge part on the tailgate now. So the tailgate part of the hinge is also different. One has a cutout, and this is the one that allows you to slide the tailgate out first. The other one is a complete circle. So this side, the passenger side, has the one with the cutout. Go ahead and remove the two 13mm bolts. Take that out and remove the old hinge. Put the new one on and start in your two bolts. And do the same to the other side. Now to put the tailgate on, go ahead and slide it in to this side. This is the side that has a complete circle on the hinge, and it does not let you slide it up or down. Now you can take this side, tilt the tailgate up a little bit. There we go. Now that's on. Now you can set it down a little bit, match the bolt up with the larger hole, press it on, slide it down. That'll hold the tailgate on this side. Put this cable on. And now let's test it out. Now we can test it out, make sure it closes. That closes perfect. No weird noises, no weird fitment. It opens perfectly. So there you have it.